Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I set up my 2018 Happy Planner and make a DIY vision board. If you want to see how I do both, then please keep watching. This year, I chose the 12-month Soft Geos Classic, which has a vertical layout. I signed my name in the front using a gold Sharpie because it's so cute, and then I added a striped folder to the front and a Geo folder to the back. I love these because they provide extra storage for bills or paperwork I need to keep on hand. These folders are from Mombi, and of course I'll have them linked down below. I created a cute ribbon paper clip bookmark using these colored clips that I got from Target's One Spot. They were like $1, and then some ribbon I had on hand that were also from Target's One Spot that were $1 as well. I cut a small piece of ribbon and looped the right side up and through the top of the paper clip, and then I looped the left side up and through the top of the paper clip. To ensure the ribbon wouldn't unravel, I took a small bead of hot glue and secured the knot together. I also took some glue to the edges to make sure they wouldn't fray with use. These were really easy to make, affordable, and they worked perfectly with my planner color scheme. Now it's time to create my weekly spread. I'm using Mommy's 720-piece color story sticker book as the base of my spread. I love this one because it's so easy to use and they have all of the color matching on one sheet. I'm what you call a white space planner. I prefer to have more room to write rather than filling up my boxes with deco, stickers, or washi. My top row contains my most important things, such as bills being due, or if I have a flight to catch or an important meeting. My second row contains my daily to-dos, so like cleaning, filming, writing any blogs. And my bottom row contains all of my social, blog, and YouTubes that are going to go live that day. This format keeps me organized, and I'm able to quickly see what I have going on each day. I love to meal plan, and I used to write them all down in my planner, but I don't want to fill up a whole box with just food, so I've been using these journaling cards. On the vertical side, I write down my lunches and dinner for the week, and then on the next side, I write my groceries. That way I can snap it off, take it to the grocery store, and put it back in, and continue to write down my groceries if I need to add anything else. Kicking off the new year requires setting good intentions and visualizing what you want to accomplish. Every year, I create a vision board on a large corkboard, but since I moved into my new apartment, the corkboard was just too big and took up way too much space. So this year, I moved it into my Happy Planner. That way, I could be reminded of my goals every time I open my planner, and it was so easy to do. All I did was I took a sheet of purple construction paper and trimmed it down to size, and then just punched it. I wrote down my goals for the year on a white sheet of paper and then glued them down to more different colored sheet of papers so it was more visually appealing, and then glued those down to the purple sheet. I hole punched it and then added some washi just to jazz it up a bit. And then to ensure it won't mess up throughout the whole year, I just ran it through my laminator and then hole punched it again so I can snap it onto my planner, and I'm good to go. I am so ready for the new year. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!